German Cultural Center, Kuwait Institute, Pakistan featured lighting. At National Academy of Performing Arts, NAPA's International Theatre and Music Festival. Venue was Zia Mohyeddin Theatre, where aficionados from all over the Metropolis converged to witness the dance piece in which choreographer used minimal setting, facilitating spectators concentrate on the dancer's ever-augmenting movements. Talking about the idea behind this piece routine, the choreographer said,
"It's a dance piece that we created from the inspiration of protest, of people getting together to protest in the street and I think the get together is the main part of it. Is how I can inflame somebody else and can inflame somebody else, and bit by bit we become one big mass. And so we worked a lot with movement inspired also from protesting. When we started to work, we took the three elements, the music, the dance and the light, as the three elements that gonna play together. And both, for example, in the movement and in the music, it's really inspired from really concretely protest. From the movement, we have a lot of throwing, of jumping, of standing movements, of mass movements, of connecting movements. In the music also, I think, I cannot say exactly, but like 80% is really taken from a protest sound and is then through electronic changement is changed into other things, but it's really very based in the real thought of protesting. I'm German, I'm based in Munich and now since 10 years, and I studied in Berlin, Brussels and Frankfurt. And I work since 12 years as a choreographer for contemporary dance. And I have the chance, I must say, that I can bring my work to a lot of places. It's the second time we come to Pakistan, but we have, of course, in Germany and in Europe been a bit, but we have lately been in Palestine and in Brazil, in Algeria, in Uganda, in Vietnam. This piece was at the start a collaboration with the Vietnam National Ballet. So I have the chance to visit a lot of places with my work. I think there are always more than one reason. On one hand, I would say for myself, I don't see any other chance to survive than doing art. And I hope that we will have more and more artists. I think it's something that can really, it's very seriously go beyond borders and can everything. We are in a time period where suddenly borders become again very important, and very stupid separation of nations and religion and any other stupidity that should not separate us. We can have different opinions and can have different practice and beliefs, and I think art helps a lot to communicate and to find a dialogue. But yeah, on the other hand, I guess I grew also up in an artist intellectual family. It's true. What is nice this time that we really collaborated with Pakistani artists, and so I get a little bit more to meet also how their work or what their interests are. And in general, I would say it's a very welcoming country. I've been extremely, everybody is very permanently welcoming within the family, have their houses, spending time together, eating together. So yeah, it has been very welcoming. Yeah, I came 10 days ago, first with two of the dancers that work with me in Germany, and we trained and studied the piece together, and then were joined later by the two other dancers and the composer and the light designer. Yeah, and so we had 10 very intensive days where we the whole day would work together and to become a crew and to do this work. It's true. This I find quite sad, and I hope, and I did this when I came here 2 years ago, that this is really the stupidity of medias that kind of promote an image that suits them for whatever, for economic reasons, because it's nice to have apparently an enemy. And I hope that I can a little bit bring back the knowledge that Pakistani people are very nice, very friendly, and far from being terrorists.